For over 68 years, our experience drives the knowledge to answer the toughest questions in commercial construction. This is Ask Jordy.
The overall construction timeline will vary greatly depending on the variables of the project. For example, jurisdiction, type of project, what industry it's for. For example, a 5,000 square foot restaurant build out from a shell space, so first use space. You're looking at about 4 to 6 months for design, 2 to 4 months for permitting depending on the jurisdiction, and another 4 to 5 months for construction. In general, you're looking at about 12 to 15 months from the time a space is secured and an architect is contracted to open up that restaurant.